Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro onboarding updates. So first of all, we are going to see the bad news for today, which is Wipro has sent the rejection mail to the candidates who has recently joined the company on 30th of December. So Wipro elite candidates have joined the company on 30th of December, and now some of the candidates have received the information or the mail from the company that they are terminated from the company and they do not need to report to office. So we are going to see the complete mail. Also, we are going to talk about some of the common doubts and comments that I am regularly getting about that. After that, we are also going to talk about the Wipro training info. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end, because there is a lot of important information in the video for you. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on my channel. You can see that I regularly upload all the latest news from the companies. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, as I regularly upload off-campus drives there as well. So let's start with our first discussion for today, which is the termination mail from Wipro. So this is the mail. In this, it is mentioned that thank you for participating in Wipro fresher hiring process. While performing the assessment interview compliance checks, it was identified that you have not been compliant with Wipro hiring guidelines. Hence, we regret to inform you that we cannot take your candidature further. Please do not report to your respective training locations, as you will not be allowed to access the Wipro premises. Termination clause was already covered in your offer letter and reporting matter as below. Mailer as below. Please note that at any stage, whether during your online test and interview process or upon joining the company, if it is brought to our notice that you have indulged in malpractice or used illegal means to clear your online assessment, the company shall withdraw or revoke the offer with immediate effect, and we reserve our rights to take suitable action against you as we may deem fit. Wishing you all the best in your future career endeavors. Wipro Limited. So guys, this is the mail from the company. Basically what the company has done is, company has onboarded some of the elite candidates. First of all, company was not giving any joinings from the last 1 year. Many candidates were waiting from a long time. Okay, and after that they got the joinings on 30th of December, which is after waiting for more than 1 year. And candidates were so happy that yes, finally the joinings has started. Now this is the bad news that is coming from the company, that not all the candidates who has joined has got this mail, only few of them has got this mail. But again, this is a bad news. So the company has mentioned that if you were indulge in any kind of malpractices, you will have to receive this mail and you are terminated from the company. So guys, there is only one option that you can do in this case. If you have also got this mail, what you can do is you can reply to them mentioning that I have not done any kind of malpractice, just in case if you have not done, right? If you have done any malpractice while your assessment, there is nothing that can be done now. So just in case if you are very true and if you have not done any malpractice, you can just reply to them that I have not done any malpractice, please see to it that what can be done for it, and if there is any scope, they might take the termination back, but there are very less chances for it. And leaving this one thing, there are other many candidates. Now they will be worried about that if company will do the same with them, then what? So guys, yes, this is the same case. So in this case, TCS is far better than all of these companies, because TCS once release their offer letters, they do not take the offer back, or they do not terminate the candidates. I have seen very less in this case, right? So I always say that don't be totally dependent on one company and one offer. Keep on applying to multiple drives and try to gather much offer letters, so that even though if you do not have any one option, you might have the other option in hand. So all the remaining candidates who are going to join the company or who are waiting for their joinings, don't be worried about this. All these news will come, but if you are true, don't be worried about it. And if you have also done some of the malpractices during your online assessments, then just be prepared and keep trying to find other opportunity as well, because you might face this, right? So this is one thing. Now talking about next, so next joining date is 23rd of January of Wipro. So again, this is for WILP candidates. So this is the mail. We are pleased to inform you that you are joining in Wipro schedule on 23rd of January and the onboarding date is 11th of January. So, and again, some of the candidates are not able to access their portals or their information on the portal is not updated, so you need to wait for some time. And also after waiting for some time, if it is not getting updated, you need to send the mail to the Wipro support team and they will rectify your issue. Moving on to the next thing, so some of the candidates have asked me that they have not got the ICIMS or the document upload mail, right? So it is not compulsory that you will receive the document verification mail. If your docs are already uploaded, you might not get this mail. We advise candidates to stay safe and only upload the fully correct documents, as if anything gets wrongly uploaded, then Wipro can send a direct termination mail by looking at the Wipro's previous stats and the current scenario. So you can see that Wipro is trying different ways to terminate candidates, right? So please be very much careful and upload only the correct documents. It doesn't matter whether you are from phase 1 or phase 2. If the details are not completed on ICIMS portal, Wipro team will send you a mail to fill the complete details on ICIMS portal. And this ICIMS mail still some of the candidates are getting on daily basis. So this information is for those candidates who are regularly asking these kinds of doubts in the comment section. Moving on to the next thing, if your details are completely filled on ICIMS and still you have received the email to fill your complete details, in that case what you can do is you can write a mail to the manager.campus@wipro.com mentioning that all our details are completed on the portal. And some of the tips: be prepared with all of your mark sheets, provisional degrees and documents that they have mentioned during your PJP. Wipro has clearly mentioned over the mail that depending upon your PJP completion, they will be giving you the joining. So make sure that you complete your PJPs. And now some phase 2 candidates have not got their PJP, so they don't have to worry about the PJP. It is just for those candidates who are from phase 1 and phase 2 who has got their PJP mail. And now the doubts about phase 2 onboarding. Again, many comments related to this. So when will be the onboarding for Elite phase 2? So right now you can see that the company is giving the onboardings or joinings to phase 1 candidates, and PJP, only few of the phase 2 candidates have got their PJP mail. So first of all, those who have got the PJP mail, just complete your PJP very nicely. And talking about phase 2 joining, so phase 2 joining might take place even after 1 more month. So it may take 1 more month for the company to give the joinings start the joinings for phase 2, because looking at the current scenario, they are not even able to give the joinings for phase 1 also. So what are the next steps? Keep on applying to the multiple drives. As you can see that even though the candidates were joined or given the joinings, they are also terminated. So there is no surety in Wipro right now. Now talking about the Wipro training exam. So Wipro training exam is easy. So if you have joined the company and if you are worried about the training exam of Wipro, don't be worried about it. You will be trained on basic concepts like English communication, programming. So it is easy to clear all these topics. There will only be 2 attempts given to you to clear the exams, and termination again happens for failed candidates. So you can see that Wipro tries to terminate candidates at various steps. First of all, if you have done any problem in your documentation, then you can get the termination. Next thing is, if you have not if you have done some malpractices during the whole procedure, you can get termination. Other thing is they can terminate you even during the training exam. So it is very tough. So please keep on applying to other drives as well. I just want to tell this, and don't be dependent on Wipro, because you know that you can get terminated at any point of time. So once you join the company, and if you have spent 15 days in the company after joining, then you are safe, right? Then there are very rare chances that you can get terminated, but until you join the company, it is a risk zone for you. So I hope I have covered almost all the latest updates on Wipro, and I have answered all the major comments that I have got in the recent videos related to Wipro. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer it. And even though if I will not be replying to your comment, I will definitely be answering your comments in the next video. So make sure to watch all the videos that I upload. So join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram. If you have not yet joined, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.